still discuss types of relationships in relation types of relationships in answering analogy questions. In functional relationship, a functional relationship describes what something does. What is the function of this thing in relationship to another thing or another person? Example: a knife is used to cut things. This is a noun to verb relationship. The knife is a noun and to cut is a verb. Another example is a lumberjack is to axe. A lumberjack is to axe. Now, something or someone uses another thing. So a lumberjack uses an axe because an axe is an essential part of a lumberjack's job. Another example is knife is to bread. Knife is to bread. A knife is used to cut bread. So the function of a knife is to cut bread. That is a noun to noun relationship also. Then the last example under functional relationship is it shows where someone belongs or the work that they do or how they function in society. For example, teacher is to classroom or bird is to cage. A teacher works in a classroom and a bird belongs in a cage. That shows the function. Next, we will talk about other types of relationships. We have the cause and effect relationship, e.g., for example, germ is to disease. Germ is to disease as fire is to smoke. Now, the major cause of a disease or the cause of a disease can be a germ, and there is no fire or there is no smoke without fire. So the cause of the smoke is fire, hence the cause and effect relationship. But don't confuse this relationship with the second one, which is the effect and cause relationship. The effect and cause relationship is a flip side of the first. We have an example: death is to war. War causes death. So the cause comes after the effect. Death is to war as honors is to study. So the effect of studying is honor. So the effect comes before the cause. Another example is antonym. Example: bad is to good as dull is to bright. These are opposites. Bad is to good as dull is to bright. Another example is synonym. Spring is to jump as timid is to shy. These are synonyms. Another relationship is purpose. Mask is to protection as food is to nutrition. It shows purpose. Another example is sequence. Sequence. Elementary is to secondary. Sequence analogies or sequence relationships, to an extent, they show degree. To an extent, it shows degree also, but in this degree, in its kind of degree, it shows sequence. We have it. Elementary is to secondary as 1 is to 2. So you can see that sequence: elementary before the secondary, and we have 1 before 2. In our next video, we will be treating past exam questions on analogies.